Hey, welcome. If you're new to the channel, thanks for clicking. If you're not, welcome back. It's Chendo with another Pokemon box opening. In front of me today is another Scarlet and Violet White Flare and Black Bolts ETB, along with the poster collection. I was able to get my hand on it, so I figured why not open it for the channel as well. I want to say the poster looks pretty cool. So if you guys are enjoying these Pokemon box opening, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. So without further ado, let's get these box open. This time I won't bore you guys with the ETB openings, so I'll catch you guys in a second. Alright, welcome back guys. Aside from the posters, we do end up getting the 3 promo cards of the Oswald, Tapeg, and the Snivy. It is pretty cool to have, so if I do say so myself. That, along with 2 of the packs, 2 extra packs of the White Flare, and 2 extra packs of the Black Bolts. Just in case somebody wants it, here's the code for the poster collection. So without further ado, let's get these packs open. Starting off with a Fighting Energy, Standard Fighting Energy, Vanillite, Perleon, Lillipup, Tapeg, T-Pig, Derlangon, Swina, Harlequin, Reverse Hollow Shelmut. Oh, nice, a Celigore illustration rare. Nice, first pack. And the foil Cafagarus. I feel like I'm pronouncing that wrong. Maybe I am. Cafagarus. Coffin. Cafagarus. Fire Energy, Parrot, Cottony, T-Peg, Litwick, Sawsbuck, Gigalith, Siligiff, ooh, a Pokeball, Turbish, Reverse Hollow Scotland, and a Hollow Tornadus. Dark Energy, Ocelot, Turbish, Herndere, Pignite, Vanillix, Garbodor, Zebstrike. Ooh, it's a nice. It's a Pokeball Blitzel, Reverse Hollow Lillipup, and a Hollow Tornadus again. Celigore is not in the picture. There you go. Fighting Energy, Vanillish, Perleon, Litwick, Lillipup, Chiren, Lavini, Scrafty, Reverse Hollow Minifo, Reverse Hollow Parrot, and a Hollow Chandelier. Steel energy. Gatorita. Sweet Swallow. Zora. Litwick. Durant. Energy Retrieval. Swak. Pokeball Zora. Nice. Ooh, illustration rare of the man. Oh my gosh. Roggenrola? Roggenrola. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and Jellicent EX too. I know this name too. I'm drawing blank how to pronounce it. Roggenrola. Is that really how you pronounce it? Roggenrola? Huh. That's interesting. Foil Psychic Energy. Nice. Here you go again. Roggenrola. Because it's Roggenrola, right? Huh. Nino. Basculin. T-Peg. Darndingon. Michal. Galvantula. Reverse Hollow Gatorita. Reverse Hollow Watchdog. And ooh, cool. That's a hollow Archeop. Archeop. What is Archeop or something like that? Dark Energy, Ducklet, Boldor, Vullaby, Vanillish, Watchdog, Simisear, Ferrothorn, Reverse Hollow Cottony, Reverse Hollow Zubstrike, and a Zoroark. Hollow Zoroark. Had a sneak peek earlier. I'm pulling out the energy. Psychic Energy, Woobat, Scraggy, Shelmet, Pinsir, Prancier, Energy Retrieval, Siligif, Liepard, Reverse Hollow Lampent. Ooh, nice. It's a Basculin illustration rare. Nice. Basculin. And a Terrakian foil. Nice. Man, it feels like it's just not focusing. Oh, come on. Fire Energy, T-Peg, Basculin, Scraggy, Rogenrola, Minshao, Scrafty, Watchdog, Reverse Hollow Vanillite, Reverse Hollow Dino. Hey, it's another Jellicent EX. Cool. Oops. No. Everything just falling apart like there. Fighting Energy, Hendier, Gata, Dino, Durling, Scrafty, Gigalith, Brave Bingo. Oh, I believe that's a new one. Brave Bingo. Reverse Hollow Hendier, Reverse Hollow Siligif, and a Hollow Archeop. Grass Energy, Gata, Shelmet, Pincier, Dino, Brave Bingo, Garbodor, Simisear. Oh, nice, a Pokeball Ducklet. Reverse Hollow Lillipup, and a Hollow Zoroark. Alright, that's it for the white flares. Keep knocking these black bolts down. Let me put these out the way so focus on what we pull from black bolts. Now I'll do a recap later. Dark Energy, Snivy, Munna, Rufflet, Taphole, Crustle, Bisharp, Teratoga, Reverse Hollow Thundurus, Reverse Hollow Pelpitoad, and a Hollow Velcorona. Grass Energy, Andino, Venipede, Emogla, Snivy, Bravery, Cryogonal, Electrike, Reverse Hollow Centipede, Venipede. Ooh, Golark illustration rare. Nice. It's walking left to right. And a hollow, there's a foil Carcosta. Alright. First card for Black Bolt. Psychic Energy. Antique Cobra Fossil. Ducian. Tynamo. Oh, okay. Drillbur. Renuculus. Inefficient. Fennel. That's a new card. Heal 20 damage from each of your Pokemon. That's cool. Reverse Hollow Core Blast. Reverse Hollow Solasis. And a Hollow Horax. Foil Fire Energy. Poniard. Minccino. Tranquil. Chupcho. Cryogonal. Electric. I haven't looked this up too. Musharna. Musharna. Well, Pokeball Gardor. Reverse Hollow Scolipede. And a Hollow Cobalion. Electric Energy, Poniard, Minccino, Fungus, Chupchu, Crocodile, Behemoth. Maybe look this one up too. Behemoth, Elmola, Reverse Hollow Delbert. Ooh, nice. A Beatrix illustration rare. Nice. Foil Landorus. Snow Energy, Timber, Munna, Snivy, Pampor, Pokegear 3.0, Simisage, Garlock. Oh, cool. It's a Pokeball Dynamo. Typo, Reverse Hollow. Oh, Zekrom EX. Nice. Ooh, nice. A foil water energy. Fabrics. Minccino. Timber. Pit Lily. Crocodile. Crocodile? I know it's literally just crocodile, but Behemoth. Mamola. Oh, cool. Pokeball Curve Blast. Nice. A Reverse Hollow Typo. And a Hollow Thunderous. Dark Energy. Pensage, Iglum, Emola, Clink, Cryogonal, Garlock, Energy Coin, Reverse Hollow Poniard, Reverse Hollow Air Balloon, and a Zekadra EX. Nice. Fighting Energy. Antique Cover Fossil. What is it? Kakarot. Pelpito. Clink. Bravery. Elegant. Semitone. Reverse Hollow Dwibble. Reverse Hollow Semisage. Ooh, another Milita EX full art. Nice. Dark Energy, Machino, Timber, Pet Lily, Antique Cover Fossil, Semisage, Renucleus. Oops. Wanted to be part of the hit. The Sharp. Oh, nice. A Pokeball Cappuccino. Nice. Reverse Hollow Pensage. Oh, nice. Is it in another Milita EX? Milita? Nice. Alright, last pack for today, guys. Star Energy, Elegium, Emolaga, Clink, Pipitoad, Bisharp, Crustal, and Splan. Ooh, Master Ball Gurdor. Nice, we got the Master Ball here and then the Pokeball right there. Nice. A Reverse Hollow Throat and a Hollow Beartrix. Nice. Alright, be right back with the recap. Alright, welcome back, guys, with the recap. From the White Flare, I got the Pokeball Duckluck, Pokeball Blitzo, the Pokeball Turbish, the Pokeball Zoro, the Jellicent EX, a second Jellicent EX, Selgor illustration rare, Basculin EX illustration rare, the Rugnolola illustration rare. For the Black Bolts, I got the Coroblast Pokeball, the Chubchoo Pokeball, Tynamo Pokeball, Gurdor Pokeball, the Gurdor Master Ball, the Milita EX, Zekrom EX, Excadrill EX, the Beartrix illustration rare, Gerlock illustration rare, and the Militex EX full art. Let me know down in the comment below which set do you think had a better pull, the White Flare or the Black Bolts. And then once again, guys, thanks a lot for joining me on this Pokemon box opening. And if you haven't already, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Also, I want to thank all the new subscribers. Slowly but surely, we're growing up there, guys. So once again, thanks for subscribing. Unfortunately, the sun's coming up and I will have to leave you for the sun chase away the darkness. Goodbye.